If you're facing a billing hold on your Amazon Prime account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or invalid, update it with the correct information. Click on Add a payment method or select an existing one to edit. Make sure to save the changes. Step 3. Review your account status. Go back to the Your Account section and check if there are any notifications regarding your account status. Sometimes, additional verification may be required to lift the hold. Step 4. Contact customer service. If the hold persists after updating your payment information, contact Amazon customer service. You can reach them through the help section on the website or app. Explain your situation clearly to get assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing the issue with customer service, wait for a confirmation email or notification from Amazon. This will inform you whether the billing hold has been lifted and if your Prime membership is active again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing holds on your Amazon Prime account quickly. If issues continue, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.